Rainy morning in Destin, Florida. We've been cruising from Fort Myers Beach on the Gulf Coast of Florida Peninsula all the way up to Destin, which is our final destination. And we're lucky to be tied up. We did all open water crossings on this 44-foot boat that I am aboard, waiting to go pick up our rental cars to drive home. And I'm watching this charter boat if he's going to go or if he's going to stay. It's a pretty nasty day. It just came in about 20 minutes ago. He's got a full load of fishing customers, clients, passengers, but they're all indoors. You can see the pilot in the pilot house. And he's got two deckhands running back and forth. I don't know what they're doing, but whatever it is they're doing, it's on the port side of the boat, not the starboard side. I wonder if he's going to stay or if he's going to go. You can see a lot of, well, that's what I would do, but you can see a lot of other boats are coming back in for safe harbor. There's a barge across the channel and a 20-foot boat coming in. And there's actually condos on the other side of the lagoon. There's a couple of boats over there by that red marker. So in my professional opinion, I would just sit and wait.
Grab a book.
Grab a book, go talk to the customers, tell them there's no refunds, the weather's going to quit in 5 minutes, and we'll catch fish. See, the flags are pretty stiff. The fleet of pontoon boats, I just now noticed we got red boats and blue boats. And what do you think that rain's flying at? About 30 degrees?
Yeah.
So it's a pretty stiff breeze.
35.
So if you're on that charter boat, be happy he's got air conditioning, you're sitting inside and you're cool and comfortable at the dock.